Ako na magbibideo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga yan.
Video mo. Ako nang baboy. Naglalabasan na sila.
Ayun, boy.
Tago! Punta ka daw kasi tali. Napalit sa inyo. Tapos biglang tumalon sa'yo. Ayun, ayun. Wala kang pagkain, no? Bawal. Bawal pa kayo.
Bawal. Kaya hindi tayo nag-cover kasi mainit.
Oo, pawisan tayong lahat.
Okay lang. Turn ito. Aircon na tayo. Isa tayo.
Aircon ba ang lubis?
Uy, in fairness, nagising sila dahil umulan. Oo, yun lang. Advantage pa din sa atin.
Greetings, explorers.
Yay!
Welcome to the Amazon River Quest. Hold on to your hats. This is going to be an amazing ride. On your left is our troop of spider monkeys. They can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch. High up in the trees on your right is the white-faced sucky monkey.
Right? Andito
Because
dapat
of
sila
their
yun.
ability to cross distances, they are known as the flying monkeys.
Hindi ko makita. Hello.
We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left.
Quick to your left.
That's the giant anteater. Look up on the sharp claws. They're used to their abilities right now. This next animal is look to the right.
Right.
Hiding among the grass is the Amazon's tallest canine, the Maine Wolf. Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed coatimoundis. They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees.
Hello ka na, ma?
Parang nagbabangka lang. Oh, okay, okay. Hold. Hold.
So, basta.
Mababa lang tayo.
Ano ba na yung kulay ng mga ostrich na yan?
Wala sila eh.
Yan o.
Ang cute naman ako.
Brazilian tapir. Hindi ko ma-appreciate kasi wala sila.
Tama.
Tago.
Alam kasi na darating tayo.
Hindi, umulan. Tatago sila.
Ay, ayun, ma. Ayun, oh. Ayun.
Ayun o, tulog.
Tulog. Tulog, malamig eh.
Ayun. Ito kami man.
Hindi niya kita.
Ba't walang yung mga monkey? Wala.
Ayun na, jaguar na. Sa may
Ayu.
kanan.
Ayu.
Jaguar sa kanan.
Watch out for jaguars.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Chao, our young jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in
Asan?
2004. Chao likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces its prey to strong
Hindi,
resistance.
mamaya isa pa dyan. Ganda ka naman, ma.
Dahil pala hindi kayo hinihinto, Mau.
Kapagod ka ba?
Dati dito ko na nakita eh.
Lumabas, siguro kasi umuulan.
May mga flamingo.
Nakita mo?
Dahil nakita dito. Flamingo kasi yan, di ba?
Ayan, mababa.
Okay, one more. Ay, sa pababa.
Pababa ulit.
Bawal mo kayo.
Flamingos.
Babara.
The flamingo's curved beak acts as a seed, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. Its opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest rodent.
Baka mas lalo kay Rihanna.
Ay, kanta niyo yung tatlong bibe.
Hindi sila marunong.
Okay.
Baka may ano na naman dito ah. Tubig ah. Ay, may tubig dito tayo.
Watch the scarlet ivy's gathers in honey
Ano?
thousands.
Ano yan?
This is a
Scarlet
insect.
ibis. Ang ibis
What
na.
explorers?
Opo.
Uy, bye-bye. Ay, pali, magalit sila.
Baho.
Kita tayo. Naka-CCTV tayo, kala ko.
Baho, baho, baho.
Wow!
Kita tayo. Ginay mo panghiyatan dito.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah. Okay lang. Okay. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Kahit walang ano?
Yes!
Mga namangka.
Mangka kami!
Kahit puro ano.
Malaki na lang.
Ulo.
Akit.
One time round.
Solid na round.
Ang cute. Nagano silang dalawang magkilala.
Ha? Ano dyan?
Kapag kilala ka na kaagad?
Yes, first diba? Sabi ko nga sa kanya, pag dito na mag-English dyan, sige kausapin mo lang.
Ay, ayun na tayong bababain.